What's going on, my friends? Welcome back to another episode of Vitaly the Bean Crypto Show. And what can I say you? It's been really not much going on in the last couple of days. The market is still stagnates, and a lot of people are bearish, expecting a further drop, and I cannot blame them. There is a high chance that we're actually going to see a drop down to the downside. We don't see this recovery. We don't see this massive move to the upside. I mean, if we're going to see the price of Bitcoin, we are still trading below the 200 days moving average, which you can see took from August to October last year when we reached below this price of 200-day moving average. We kind of stayed there for a while, and we're getting rejected out of this line. That's what I'm seeing right now. A move to retest the previous highs of 2024, which is around $72,000 are likely. And the volatility that we've seen recently, just in the last handful of days, indicates that the move is coming. The question is to the upside or to the downside. That is the question. That is right now. Right? Are we gonna head to the resistance, to the upside, or are we gonna head to support? Which one? A lot of talk about this massive trader, who opened a $332 million short position on Bitcoin and $84,000, and his take profits point are $69,000 and $58,000. He 100% knows something. He knows something, and the market can go one leg to the downside. So it's pretty wild. There was a group of people that were tried to actually liquidate him, identify, at his level, but his liquidation is 86,600. It's not quite got there. He added some margin. It's like around $15 million in this position. It is insane. Let's see if he's gonna liquidate him, or he's gonna massively. He knows something. He's gonna massively, like, the game is on fire right now. The game is on fire. We're still in the bull market as long as we are trading above 38.2% Fibonacci level. But trading anything below that would indicate that we are kind of in a bear market. I mean, if we're going to be staying there, if we're going to be going to 72K and staying there for a while, not rebounding sharply, quickly, then it's going to be very bad. But we're not quite there yet. I'm going to give you some hopium today. That basically Michael Saylor is planning to purchase 21 billion worth of Bitcoin. So if he buys at $84,000, this would add approximately 250,000 Bitcoins, around 164,000 Bitcoin mined annually. This means he's buying 1.5 years worth of new Bitcoin issuance. This will be the last time we can see strategies holdings below 500,000 Bitcoin. So it's going to be accumulating. It's going to be a lot of Bitcoins. There's a lot of money still in the tank, and China is printing. Money printer is going there. In China, it's almost double the money supply. I wonder if this is going to go into the Bitcoin and crypto market. Let's take a look at what the S&P 500 index is doing. It's trying to recover slightly, but yeah, we're not with not much volume that I can see. We may still drop one more drop. We'll see, but the wealthy investors start to accumulate stocks at these levels, and it's not out of the question that we're gonna see another move to the downside. Don't be this guy. I wish I've kept my 1,700 Bitcoin and 6 cents instead of selling them at 30 cents. Now they're $8. Don't be this guy. Don't be this guy. Altcoins are in a bear market, but don't sell them now. It's Solana at 127. I don't think it's it's gonna be wise trying to catch and time the market. But I do agree. I mean, the market is pretty weak. BNB is quite strong. XRP is quite strong. Dodge, not so much. It's pretty weak. Toncoin, weak, very weak. TRX is kind of hanging in there. SUI, it's like the whole market is down. And we're still there, not out of the woods, and it can get worse. So there's not really much going on. Not really much going on in the market is why I'm not been posting every day. So I'm taking a more cautious approach right now to the markets and not trading or not trying to trade at these levels. Even though it's tempting that the market is down, but I don't see this recovery. You know, I don't see this buyer volume is coming in. I mean, we're kind of chopping here. Not really much going on, and not much buying volume here. So I think we're gonna have one more leg to the downside, unfortunately. But that's what I can tell you guys. That we're not out in the wood. We're not out of the wood, I would say. Still some potential deeper trouble is brewing here, so be on the alert to that. Okay, I wish you a great week, and I'll see you in the next videos.